tumekuja kuona, tumepatana na huyo ni cheetah.
Wanyama. That one over there was a cheetah. In Swahili anaitwa duma.
Duma.
Yeah, then leopard ni chui.
Yeah.
I don't know why. But cheetah inakaa kwenda na chui. Leopard inakaa kusound duma.
They are big cats, right?
Swahili is interesting.
Ndo the big cats, ndio?
Yeah.
Big cats. Hello.
Big five.
Among the big five.
Among the big five. So there's the lion. Cheetah. Pink elephant. Rhino. Those are 4, yeah? What's the 5th one? No, right. I said rhino. Leopard. Leopard is not among the big 5. Elephant. I said elephant.
Yeah, elephant.
Lion. Elephant.
Oh, there's one more.
Which one?
Buffalo.
Oh.
I
Buffalo?
I guess.
Rhino.
Rhino you mentioned.
Oh, okay. I don't think the buffalo is that big.